I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the sunroof. You're gonna see that the factory alarm is gonna fire off. Okay, I'm gonna rearm it. This works from bumper to bumper. Any tires that they kick to bust out the lug nut locks, or any window that they bang, or anywhere in the car that it receives an impact is gonna set off the factory alarm. Okay, we do have the DIY kits, so anybody out of state that wanna upgrade their factory alarm, feel free to give us a call, and we can ship you the kit. It comes with the installation video. We never had anybody who wasn't able to complete it. And this, what you're doing is upgrading the factory alarm without having to carry an extra fob around in your keychain. Give and take, when you arm the factory alarm, you gotta wait about 40 seconds. You're gonna notice a little picture of a car with a little lock inside, right by the dash. It's gonna be solid, and once it starts flashing, and then it's ready for you, I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this side, and it's gonna trip the factory alarm as well. Okay. Factory remote start still works. It doesn't interfere. I just turned it off. Sometimes we get emails, does that interfere with the remote start? And it doesn't. And it doesn't interfere with anything in the car. The only thing it's going to do is upgrade your factory alarm, like if it was an aftermarket alarm. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. Hopefully, if you see this video, is because you're trying to prevent something, or you're watching this video because somebody already stole the vehicle, or they went in and took a bunch of stuff. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.